While a drake mallard was relaxing, it was suddenly attacked by a prairie falcon at lightning speed. With speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, the falcon can deliver a knockout blow to even large prey. This video captures a thrilling encounter between a peregrine falcon and a great blue heron in mid-flight. The falcon successfully caught the heron, and both birds plummeted to the ground. Once on the ground, the falcon relentlessly attacked the heron mercilessly. In another video, a peregrine falcon is seen returning to its nest with a seemingly lifeless parrot in its grasp. Without hesitation, the falcon proceeded to pluck the parrot's feathers and enjoy its meal. Number 10. Striated caracara. While flying together in search of prey on the Falkland Islands, a group of striated caracaras came across a baby seal that had been left alone while its mother was hunting for food.
Please share.